Hi, I am Fatima. This video is brought to you by Mahview. Follow us on social media, let's build and connect together. So now we have a topic of discussion that is pitch deck and investor readiness. So as you will see the contents inside it, so in content some topics we have already studied previously because all these things are interlinked with each other, so we have to make a touch on previous some topics also. So here we will cover all that stuff, that is introduction, what is pitch deck components, core components, problem scenarios, solution scenarios, market opportunity, business model, competitive advantage, traction validation, product technology, financial projections, investment ask, investors readiness checklist, capstone, relevance, and conclusion. So first of all, we will make through introduction before going to the terminology. We all know that startups, in order to do some innovations, in order to scale innovations, they need investments. And who are the investors? So investors evaluate the ideas based on problem significance, technology solution, market opportunity, business model, financial viability. So pitch deck communicate these clearly. So all these things are communicated, are clearly understandable by the pitch decks techniques. So investor readiness ensures that a startup is pre. Now we will see the scenario, we will see the definition. Before that, we just see why we need the pitch deck and what is the main purpose and all that things. So what is a pitch deck? It is a concise presentation for investors. It is a concise presentation for investors. It covers problems and solutions, market opportunity, revenue model, competitive advantage, traction validation, financial problems, and funding request. And what is the goal of it? That is convince investors the ideas is innovative, scalable, and profitable. So these are the purpose, that what is a pitch deck. It is a concise presentation for investors, what it will cover, and what is the goal: to convince the investors the idea is innovative, scalable, and profitable. What are the core components inside it? That is, first of all, there is a problem statement, that what is basically our idea, what is a problem statement, why we are establishing that innovation. Then proposed solution, then market opportunity, then product and technology, then business model to make that thing more valuable, competitive advantage, traction progress, financial projections, investment ask tips. So what is a problem scenario? So for example, we have a AI accident detection. So what is the scenario here? That is urban road safely in Pakistan. So delayed emergency response after traffic accidents, limited real-time monitoring of accidents, current remoting relies on manual phone calls, which cause 20 to 30 minutes delay. Impact example, that is every year 30,000 fatalities in urban accidents in Pakistan, slow response worsen outcomes, and insurance claims take away. So there is a critical need of a real-time AI monitoring. So this is our problem statement. Now what are the solution scenario? That is smart cameras plus AI accident detection algorithms automatically detect collisions or accident, sends instant notifications to emergency services and nearby hospitals. Practical examples: in Lahore, pilot testing, 50 cameras detected 90% of accidents within the 10 seconds. Emergency response time reduces from 25 minutes to 8 minutes outcome. Lives are saved, faster medical support, and real-time traffic and accident analytics. First of all, we will see what are the problems, scenarios inside it. That is delayed emergency, limited real-time assessment, current report relies that how much delay caused the health risk. Now the problem statement is, there's a solution of that problem statement, that is through AI solutions, that smart cameras plus AI accident detection algorithms. It detects the collisions or accident automatically. without the manual effort, sends instant notifications instead of relies on the large and delays calls, just like we have seen the examples here. Now, market opportunity that we already have discussed, that AI says safety monitoring startup, so TAM, that is total addressable market, that is at global level. So global urban safety monitoring system, that is 15P. And if we will see SAM, that is serviceable available market urban centers in Pakistan, so it is a $300 million. If we will see SOM, that is serviceable obtainable market, it captures 5% of our previous layer, that is serviceable available market, and it get that thing, that is $15 million. And then target first 10 major cities in the Pakistan. So 50,000 potential users in first 2 years shows realistic business potential to investors. So these are just three layers that we already discussed. That first layer is at global level, and here we will see $15 billion. Then there is a second layer that includes the portion of our first layer. That here we are talking about some limited portion instead of a worldwide. And in the third, we are discussing about some percentage of our previous layer. Now, business model that we already discussed, how to make our that technology more valuable. So if you see revenue stream, so $2,000 that city subscription, $2,000 per city per month for monitoring device. And government licensing means smart cities pay annual fee for AI integration. Insurance partnership, premiums reduced if the accident detection is implemented scenarios example. And 24,000, that is Karachi signs up $24,000 per year, and expansion to Lahore, Islamabad, it is $72,000 year massive. Multiple revenue streams ensure the sustainability. So this is just some financial viewpoints of all our these concepts. Now we have competitive advantage, that is AI based real time detection vs manual monitoring, automatic emergency notifications, scalable for smart cities, provided data analytics for city planners and insurance. Competitor only logs accident manually, 30 to 50% delay in reporting. Our system reduced the response time by 70%, providing a clear market edge. So this is the competitive challenges that we have to face. Now we will see traction and validation. So if we will see here, first of all, the first step inside it is that prototype AI model developed and deployed in one urban area, pilot with 50 cameras covering the main roads, detected 95% of simulated accidents accurately. Local police provided positive feedback on early alert scenarios examples, and pilot alert reduced the hospital arrival time by 50%, demonstrating clear value. So these are some practical scenarios. Now we will see product technology scenarios example, that there is a system architecture. The cameras, first of all, cameras captures video in real time. AI model detect the collisions of or accidents. Notification system alert, that is emergency services, nearby hospitals, insurance systems. Then data dashboard shows accident trends and hotspot scenarios. And dashboard in Lahore City Hall shows 2 accident hotspots per week. City planners can deploy the traffic improvement based on the data. So these are just a simple system architecture. Now final projections that we will just see here, financial point of view. That is in year 1, pilot city 5,000 users, revenue is $250,000. In year 3, there is $3 million, and in year 5, we will see 500,000 users, that is $30 million. Now, investment task. So, in investment task, we will first of all see funding required. So, $1.2 million need investment use of funds, 40% product development, 30% infrastructure deployment, 20% marketing and partnership, 10% operational cost scenarios. Fund allow expansion from one city into 5 cities within the 18 months. So what is our main topic here? That is a how we have to clarify the financial importance of our product, that in order to launch the product into the market, in order to make something, so there needs some investment plan, and how this investment plan will flow just like that. Now we will see investors readiness checklist, that is clear business strategy and market plan. There must be a clear idea that what we try to take, but a clear strategy. So clear business strategy and market plan, scalable technology tested with pilot results, market validations in which there are users and stakeholders, experienced and capability, financial projections and use of our funds, regulatory and compliance consideration. For example, all above criteria are demonstrated in pilot phase, ready for investment. So, capstone relevance, if you will see, so it helps students present AI innovations professionally. Example capstone projects, urban safety AI system, health monitoring platforms, AI fraud detection. So, all these things will help students to become more innovative professionally in AI tools and technology. Now there is a conclusion. So what is our main step? We already discussed all that things, but the main thing that we have to discuss here, it is a pitch deck. That is a concise presentation. In order to make any startup valuable, to launch any product in the market, first of all they need an investment in order to create that project, the whole journey of that product. So they need an investment. So pitch deck basically it helps to communicate startup value to investors, that it acts like a bridge between the startups and investors. That pitch deck makes a concise presentation to clear the views, that in order to make a gap, in order to fill the gap between startup to investors. So investors focus on the problems in which we have discussed solution, market, revenue, traction and growth. And at the end we have a well prepared deck demonstrate innovation, feasibility and scalability. So a strong pitch deck turns an idea into compelling investment opportunity. So this is all our lecture. We have already discussed some things, that is in our previous lectures we already discussed some topics. Here the main goal is about the pitch deck, how we can connect our old lectures, old topics to that thing, that is pitch deck, because these all are related to each other. So I hope this lecture is clear. In next session we will forward to our next topic. So thank you. Have a great time. Bye.